What conservation methods are used on metal artifacts from the USS Arizona? Have you ever wondered how we preserve artifacts from a historic shipwreck like the USS Arizona? The conservation of metal artifacts from this iconic vessel is a fascinating process that combines science and respect for history. Let's take a closer look at the methods used to care for these important pieces of our maritime heritage. Metal artifacts recovered from the USS Arizona, such as ship parts and personal belongings, are primarily made of iron or steel. These materials are prone to rust when exposed to seawater. The main goal of conservation is to stabilize these artifacts, preventing further damage while keeping their historical significance intact. This is especially important since the USS Arizona is both a historical site and a war grave. When metal artifacts are submerged, they develop layers of corrosion products. These layers can include minerals like iron carbonate and calcium carbonate. While these layers can sometimes protect the metal underneath, they can also hide important details and speed up deterioration if not handled correctly. The rate of corrosion is influenced by factors such as water chemistry and the presence of marine life. To start, experts use non-invasive monitoring techniques. Tools like X-ray diffraction and environmental scanning, electron microscopy, help assess the condition of the artifacts without disturbing them. This careful analysis is crucial in deciding how to proceed with preservation. For artifacts that remain underwater, in-situ preservation is often the best choice. This method involves monitoring the site and stabilizing the environment to slow down corrosion. Techniques can include controlling water flow and reducing oxygen exposure. Sometimes, protective coatings or sacrificial anodes are applied to help divert corrosion away from the artifact. When artifacts are brought to the surface, they undergo a thorough cleaning and stabilization process in a laboratory. This may involve removing layers of corrosion and salt from the metal. Desalination is a key step, as it removes salt that can cause further rusting. After cleaning, corrosion inhibitors are applied to halt any active corrosion. Conservation is not a one-time task. It requires ongoing management to ensure the artifacts remain stable over time. Regular inspections and environmental controls are essential to monitor their condition. For those working with the USS Arizona artifacts, the focus is on preserving history while showing respect for the site's significance. The techniques developed for the USS Arizona have also influenced conservation practices for other submerged metal artifacts around the world. In summary, the conservation of metal artifacts from the USS Arizona involves a mix of non-invasive monitoring, in-situ preservation, laboratory treatment, and long-term management. Each method is carefully chosen to stabilize the artifacts and honor their historical importance.